And they come, if you have a tough for inside. Okay. IPOB. IPOB. And it could be a next video. We are here now. Everybody come inside. The British embassy, you can see the flag. The British flag there. We are fighting for our freedom. We are fighting for our freedom. You can see this is Germany. Berlin. Yes. Yes. We are fighting for our freedom. We don't want Fulani again. We don't want Fulani. Yes. They say the security man is there. Yes. Please leave now. Yes.
My problem. We don't break the law. We don't break the law. Please. We are not abiding citizens. So that we can allow the people to go by. 10 o'clock, we will walk to that place.
10 o'clock, we went to British. We want to tell them we want to be free. Please share this video. Share it. Please. That is the British embassy. We want telling them that we want to be free.
So look at the place. Just back that place. I know, say, our blood is hot. If you leave us today now, we will put everything down. Let everything what will happen tomorrow happen today. Our eyes see no place to fear. Our eyes see no place to fear. But we will not break the law. We are not citizens. Let's maintain it, please.
Yes. Everywhere, Sabobo. What is it? How are you? Hello. We have to.
This is not funny video. This is massive. What you get this video? Massive.
Listen.
Yeah, with you.
My brother.
Yeah.
We must take it back.
Of course. I'm happy to meet with you, my brother. Honestly, all this abduction, illegal abduction that is happening in that construction must stop. We must put an end to it. Okay? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Our people have been maltreated for so long. We have been deprived. We are not happy. We are not happy. Okay? Please share the video. By the time we are done with you uncircumcised Philistines from Kotajala, by the time we are done with you, that's very contractual Nigeria. By the time we are done with you people, Fulanis will never remain the same again. That is a promise. By the time we are done with that geological republic, that animal kingdom, by the time we are done with you, we will never remain the same again. It's a promise, not a threat.
Exactly. Everybody must stay on his own. Fulanis are terrorists. Yes. We have nothing to do with Fulanis.